You gonna help? Huh? No? You don't have opposable thumbs, so you're out of here? Chicken shit. Okay, here we go. Got the part. Had to do the guy's job at the parts store to get it, but I got it. This is all I'm going to be needing right here. Is my Rapid River knife from the UP. Okay, easy peasy. 1 tab, 2 tab, junk on the floor. Time I bought this truck, the airbag was an option. I was single. I decided I didn't need it. And then when I did start dating, after being with that girl for about a year, I decided I still didn't need it. So that's the part we're after right there. Unhook this right here. 1 connector. Go. Take your little trusted knife, stick it in here, give it a pops. That baby be out. Make sure that they're both lined up correctly. Both posts are lined up correctly. If it wasn't, I would hook up the wire and then adjust the selector over there. So, pop this back in here. There we go. Pop, pop. She's back in. That's in. Let's see. That's in. That is in. Any of my friends down in Florida, Marshall, come across any truck beds? I'm half tempted to drive down there and pick it up, because he went $3,500 for him now. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. We have cold air. We have a hot air. I said let there be heat. There was heat. This whole process took 2.5 minutes. You would have paid an hour at the dealer at a labor rate of about $125. I fixed this for 40 bucks. Yeah.